Elise Carrick from the agency. Come through today and check out 4 Belfield Avenue in Frenchville. One of my favourite parts about this beautiful low-set brick home in Frenchville is how the owners have meticulously maintained the period features of this home whilst making modern renovations. If you've been looking for a low maintenance, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom brick home in Frenchville, look no further. If you'd like more information on this property, reach out to me anytime. I look forward to meeting you.